Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm working on a Eden Pure heater. My son had this in his room. It was making a funny noise. Sounded like the fan was grinding. So I took it apart. Took the console apart. Pulled the top off. And what I found was the ceramic parts here were stuck in the fan and making noise. And all three, this one I slid back on, of these little ceramic caps have fell off the heating elements. I see that you can get new elements on Amazon for around 80 bucks. Not sure what we're going to do with this one. Well, I figured I'd share my experience with the Eden Pure heater. It's been great up until now. We really liked it, but now we have an issue. I am not affiliated with Eden Pure in any way, so hopefully this helps out if anybody has some noises going on there. All right, thanks a lot.